Welcome to U.S. Immigration Channel. In today's video we will talk about green card backlogs and who gets priority for a green card. If you are interested in this topic, please stick around till the end of this video, and for latest immigration related news and updates, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications about the new videos. Let's get into the video. The immigrant visa backlog has increased to over 500,000 over the past year, mostly family-based immigrants and diversity visa lottery immigrants. Most of this backlog has occurred due to the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic. U.S. Department of State, Bureau of Consular Affairs mentioned on their website that the health and safety of our personnel, U.S. citizens seeking assistance abroad, individuals seeking immigration benefits, and local populations is paramount. Posts that process both immigrant and non-immigrant visas are prioritizing immigrant visa applications while still providing some non-immigrant visa services. However, the volume and type of visa cases each post will process continues to depend on local conditions, including restrictions on movement and gathering imposed by host country governments. In addition, consistent with U.S. government guidance on safety in the federal workplace, U.S. embassies and consulates have implemented social distancing and other safety measures, which have reduced the number of applicants consular sections are able to process in a single day. Consular sections will resume providing all routine visa services as it is safe to do so in that particular location. The petitioners and applicants in the immigrant visa process are more than just numbers. We acknowledge the stress and hardships they have borne during the past year of reduced operating capacity as a result of COVID and necessary measures taken to protect health and safety or to comply with local requirements, as well as COVID-related limitations on their travel or visa issuance. We also recognize the importance of each immigrant visa category. However, during the pandemic the department has been forced to make difficult decisions regarding how our consular sections should prioritize immigrant visa applications as they operate at limited capacity and as they work through a backlog of immigrant visa cases once they resume full operating capacity. The guiding principle on which we have based immigrant visa prioritization is that family reunification is a clear priority of the U.S. government's immigration policy, a priority as expressed in the Immigration and Nationality Act, INA. Specifically, the department's prioritization relied on clear direction from Congress that the department must adopt a policy of prioritizing immediate relative visa applicants and K-1 fiancés of U.S. citizens, followed by family preference immigrant visa applicants. Consistent with those objectives, U.S. embassies and consulates are using a tiered approach to triage immigrant visa applications based on the category of immigrant visa as they resume and expand processing. While our consular sections, where possible, are scheduling some appointments within all four priority tiers every month, the following lists the main categories of immigrant visas in priority order. Tier 1, Immediate Relative Intercountry Adoption Visas, Age-Out Cases, cases where the applicant will soon no longer qualify due to their age, and certain special immigrant visas, Square and SI for Afghan and Iraqi nationals working with the U.S. government. Tier 2, Immediate Relative Visas, Fiancé visas, and Returning Resident Visas. Tier 3, Family Preference Immigrant Visas and SE Special Immigrant Visas for certain employees of the U.S. government abroad. Tier 4, All Other Immigrant Visas, including employment preference and diversity visas. Many embassies and consulates continue to have a significant backlog of all categories of immigrant visas. This prioritization plan instructs posts to maximize their limited resources to accommodate as many immediate relative and fiancé cases as possible, with a goal of, at a minimum, preventing the backlog from growing in these categories and hopefully reducing it. However, the prioritization plan also instructs posts to schedule and adjudicate some cases in Tier 3 and Tier 4 each month. The department recognizes that visa applicants, particularly those in Tiers 3 and 4, will face continued delays. We further acknowledge that certain programs, including the Diversity Visa Program, operate on a fiscal year basis as required by law. The department values the Diversity Visa Program and is making every effort to process as many diversity visa cases as possible, consistent with other priorities, despite the severe operational constraints and backlog resulting from the COVID pandemic. However, as a result of COVID, the number of visas issued in lower priority preference categories or in such programs as the Diversity Visa Program likely will not approach the statutory ceiling in fiscal year 2021. Hope the information provided in this video was useful to you, and we will be releasing a video when we have more additional information on this topic, so please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this. See you soon in another video.